We're here to learn about the hornbostel and sax classification of music. Traditionally, we classify musical instruments based on the Western orchestra classification, which is, of course, classified according to strings, woodwinds, brass winds, and percussion. So ito yung karaniwang ah, labeling ng mga instrument na meron tayo. Ngunit not all of our instruments can actually be part of a Western orchestra. And paano naman yung mga ethnic instruments, yung mga ginawa ng ating mga ninuno or katutubo, like this one. This is the kubing. A kubing is a Jaws harp that is made of wood. Can we consider it as a woodwind? But to be able to make it sound, we must strike its body through our lips. So does it make it a percussion instrument? Di ba nakakalito? Now, the good news is that may dalawang musicologist named Erich Hornbostel and Kurt Sachs. They invented a system of classification for especially for ethnic instruments. And that is what we call the Hornbostel-Sachs classification of music. So from the traditional category system, we derived with four major classification for the horn, bostel, and sax. And these are idiophones, aerophones, chordophones, and membranophones. Idiophones are instruments whose sound is produced by the vibration of the instrument's own body, not by strings, membranes, or air columns. Ibig sabihin, yung mismong katawan niya ang nagpo-produce ng sound. Like the cymbals and the xylophone. Yung mismong body ng xylophone na bakal ang siyang tumutunog pag pinapalo. At ganun din naman ang cymbals when you strike it against each other. And this make the instruments idiophones. Membranophone. These are instruments that produce sound by the vibration of a stretched membrane, usually a drum head. Membrane is basically the skin of an animal, no? So, ang snare drum, yung kanyang puti na surface ang ating pinapalo at ang mga bongo drums na ito ay usually made of lamb skin, which makes it a membranophone. Chordophones are instruments that produce sound by the vibration of string. So kaya naman ang guitar or harp ay chordophones because ang strings nila, pag nag-vibrate, ang siyang nagpo-produce ng sound. And the last one is aerophone. Ang aerophone, these are instruments that produce sound by vibrating of column of air. You need air to make it sound, like the saxophone or the flute. Let's try to study the instrument piano. Ang piano ay may strings sa loob nito kapag binuksan mo. Ngunit ito ay hinahampas ng mga maliliit na hammers para tumugtog ito. Kung sa Western classification, hindi mo masasabi kung siya ay string instrument or a percussion instrument. Pero ano ba ang classification nito sa horn, bostel, and sax? Ano ba ang nagpapatunog sa sound ng piano? Yung ba yung hammer? Yung ba yung keys? Or yung ba yung mga strings? The answer is the strings. The strings inside the piano are the main source of sound every time they are struck by the hammers attached to the instrument, thus making it labeled as a chordophone. Sana sa simpleng discussion ito ay naging malinaw sa inyo ang apat na classification na ginawa ni Hornbostel at ni Sachs. Ulitin ko, ito ang idiophone, aerophone, membranophone at chordophone.